Hi, hello, Steffen here. As Marcel said in the previous video, Theo will be at the Schweißen and Schneiden Messe Essen in Germany from the 15th to the 19th September. More details in the description. If you are there on the 19th at 10:45, come to the Future Hub. I will be there sharing and discussing some informations about how new technologies push boundaries and redefine safety in handheld laser welding. Don't forget to stop by our booth. You can try out our Theo handheld laser machines and learn more about our exciting upcoming news we haven't shared yet. See you there.